We should know where the fucking guns are, dude.
I heard it. Yep.
On the other.
Oh shit! When did I do that? Like, look at it. It doesn't want to turn. Oh my god! Oh! Out here with the boys. Hey, that's not bad. It literally just like, it goes up to like right there and then it just goes flat and then it loops back to the trail we just came from. It's not bad. Send it, dude. I don't know if that goes anywhere. I'll just turn around. Son of a bitch. He's a tight one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be nice being on little dirt bikes.
This thing weighs 86 pounds.
I didn't know where the fuck that went. I was like, where are we going?
Come down, bro.
This thing weighs like 420 pounds.
So we go over those trees and all I have to do, I don't even need to give it throttle, I just go. And I can pick the whole fucking bike right up.
Your exhaust isn't connected at all
Go
anymore.
pull the Apollo out.
Look.
That's why you got backup.
That's
Oh,
why
nice.
I bring it every time.
Yeah, because you never know.
Reliable.
All right, go back to the truck with it. I think someone's shooting out there.
I heard shooting last time I was here too. I think we'll be all right.
Well, it's fine. It's just like we should know where the fucking guns are, dude.
I heard it. Yep.
On the other side of that.
Maybe go right out, let them know.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't get shot.
I'll try not to.
Don't get shot, buddy. You're on video, so this might be the last time. Happy Father's Day. Right against that hill or something?
He's over here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can go over here then.
I don't know who these guys
I bet you could hit like some of this on that.
Bullshit.
My buddy was on his 450, that factory racing bike, and he was bombing up that berm.
Even on,
He went all the way around that one.
even on this fucking shit, these tires just go like this, dude. They're fucking A.
Say that one's not too bad. It's pretty shallow, but and then that little hill climb, it just goes to flat and then it leads to like over here. You can just come out. It's like all shallow. So if you go up that, it's easy to get around.
I'm gonna fucking die, bud.
Huh?
I'm gonna fucking die. I'm old and fat.
I'm old too, but I'm on a four wheeler. So
Do it.
This
Jeez.
thing just doesn't fucking
maybe not on that then. You'd have to be cooking.
Yeah.
Oh! You need assistance, sir?
What?
I said, you need assistance,
I
sir?
don't know yet.
Huh?
I don't know yet.
Oh, you're good. Wow, a lot sandier than I thought.
Oh, fuck yeah, buddy.
Hey, oh yeah. That was a graceful fall, though.
I'm not gonna try.
You just... Let's go! Yeah! Hell yeah, dude! That's funny. Now you're, dude, you just showed your dad up, dude. Let's go! Yeah, buddy! Woo!
Give me time to record, though.
I got it. I'm recording. Huh?
Where to next?
I don't know. I love this spot, dude. I mean, yeah, it's way more shallow right there. You can just go up and down.
That one. No.
a little step up.
Roll back, damn it. Hoi. Not bad. Yeah. Yeet. I got it. Yeah, hold the brake. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah. He's out here. Ah. I should have seen that coming. You're good, you're good, you're good. Not bad, dude. Hey, you got a little further. You got like a bike length further.
Alright, I'll give it one more.
It's steep, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's so steep right there too. This is like the most shallow spot, but then you got rocks.
I know, and you need to like stay
I
up.
can see it.
I know, it's right there.
Yeah.
Are you looking at the one on the right or left?
The left.
Okay, I see it too.
Yeah, these both of
But
those.
as soon as you go up, it starts losing power quick.
Oh yeah. I don't even know if you can get a downshift off. Are you trying to go down one when you go up? Are you like fourth and then third when you get like up there?
No, I keep it.
You could try it, but I don't really. Those tires are so small, bro.
Four to third.
You could try it. Ah, dude, just not meant to be.
What is the problem?
It's just so sandy. You don't got enough power.
I can't make it.
You got it, bro.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no.
I told him to try going third. He hit it and then third right when he started going up, and it just died right out. It doesn't have enough juice. Even if you went down to second, you don't have enough power to juice to. Yeet. Dude, these are kind of sick, dude. I can see myself. You gonna do something cool? Oh shit, dude. Those are kind of nice.
They're snowboard goggles.
Yeah, I say they look weird, but fuck
They're snowboard goggles, but they work. You can put tinted ones on it, clear ones.
Hell yeah. Hold on. Let me get up there so I can film you. Hold on.
Oh my god, bro.
You got like no traction right there. You're just spinning the whole way up.
Huh?
You're like spinning the whole way up. You might be able to like, if you start on that mound where it's a little grassy and then try to stay in the grass, you might have traction. Here, we'll try to help your situation.
Alright, let me go through the door. Hey, left, stay dip.
It's
Impossible!
just too sandy. happened? I broke my tie rod.
What?
When did I do that? Oh, it just, yeah, it came loose. It came loose and bent. That sucks.
Yeah.
Well, shit. Yeah, my alignment's all fucking fucked. It's gonna be sketchy trying to go down that hill.
Yeah.
I broke it. When did I do that?
Oh yeah.
When did I do that? I don't know.
Imagine when you came up that.
What a cheap pile of crap. Maybe I'm gonna have to buy some really nice fucking tie rods for it.
How?
I don't know. It must have came loose and then bent, dude. There's no way it was like look at it.
Yeah.
I mean, the bushies maybe went. How's the other side feel? Is there any wiggle?
No.
Huh. I wonder how the fuck I did that. Broke my fucking, or bent the shit out of it, dude. That sucks. It doesn't want to turn. Oh my god. Oh that thing's bent, dude.
Bent.
How the fuck did I when I went up to film you, I was like, why does it feel like it's drifting on me? Like I was like, I'm not even doing anything, it just started trying to wash out.
Well, like, how it's dog. Oh my god.
I don't know how the fuck I managed, dude. It must have been when I just did the little, it jolted it. It might have been already loose. And then I just bent it. Well, shit.
Yeah.
Sad day, boys.
Okay.
It's gonna be all right, though.
Well, for now.
How did I really want to know if it was just earlier. I must have bent it a little bit, and then it just fucking didn't like it.
The Sandpits do not care about your investment.
Yeah, Sandpits don't care about your investment at all.
Nope.
Just gonna have to buy better ones. What can you do?
Part of the game.
So not what I planned. I planned to ride a lot more. Also, happy Father's Day to all the daddies out there. But I broke a tie rod, and that sucks. Or bent the shit out of it. So we just manhandled it into the truck. So I don't know I'm gonna get it out when I go home. But yeah, I'm gonna have to order some nice beefy ones, because apparently you'll see it in the video, but the second I went up to like go up the like bank, the second I did the little bump up and started going up, my tire just fucking went sideways, and I didn't really notice because I was just kind of coasting to get a video of fucking him going up the hill on his dirt bike, and it fucking just bent, so my wheel was like completely sideways. So that sucks, but till next time. So yep, bye.